Hello YouTube land, this is Steve the Scotsman. I'm doing an overhaul on a 2008 Honda Fit and I'm just in the process of pulling the water pump, so I just want to make a quick video. I didn't see anything out there, so if this helps one person, great. So first of all, obviously you need to get the belt off. There's a few videos out there. Bottom line is, at the top you can see that this is the alternator pulley here, and to the right there's a bolt, and then just under here there's like a lock nut. So this is a 12mm lock nut. Just undo this lock nut. You might find that what helps is like a serpentine removal bar to get to that lock nut. You can get this at Harbour Freight. This is cheap and nasty, and that will be able to get that 12mm lock nut off. Alright, so just as an FYI, this is the water pump that's going in here, and this is the idler next to it. I would suggest, if you're in here, just replace the idler, because I find that when you take the idler off to get access, you know, I paid like 25 bucks for it at Napa, so hey, if you're in there, just replace it. Okay, so here's the bottom of the car, and as you can see, I'm just about to pull this water pump. This little tool here is like a ratchetable bendy 3/8 bar, and I got a 10mm socket. There's actually 10mm sockets, bolts, sorry, that attach it to the casing. So something like this is really handy if you need to get in there. Now you can see what I've done in the bottom. I've just taken the wiper bottle off, and really I've taken the wiper bottle and the horn assembly just to get access. If you work on cars, you'll see that these things are pretty accessible. You know, I know there's a service manual, and half the time they tell you to rip the car to shreds. You don't need to. The one bit of advice I'd like to leave you with is, when you get the actual pulley cover off, obviously this is it's going to turn right with the belt on it. Just a quick trick: if you need to get this bolt, for example, turn this bolt clockwise and this one counterclockwise, and then this pulley won't move, and then just go round in sequence, and then obviously as you do that, you'll be able to get this pulley off. The actual pulley cover will come out without using a pry bar or dealing with mounting bolt, but it's really tight. So this can be done. I just like to make videos to just primarily to convince people, just go in there, have a go, don't be shy, you know what I mean? You'd pay big money to get this done at a shop, but hey, give it a go. So I wanted to make this quick and dirty. I didn't want to do a bolt by bolt. I just wanted to show you the main things to consider. So hey, this is Stevie the Scotsman signing off. All the best. Cheers.